Hey, welcome back to, what is this, part 3 or so? Anyway, I had it set up in wattage mode, 75 watts is what was set up at. How does this flavor taste? Let's go ahead and see if it's yummy or yucky. Let's bring that camera up a bit. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Now this is actually a pretty darn good flavor. Even though the front of the box is kind of misleading, it's like neon cream, which you think, okay, orange dreamsicle, though, you know. It's not that, it's the sherbet. I'm not really tasting, where was it? The raspberry. The lemon lime I taste. The orange I taste. Not too much raspberry or any raspberry at all. But it is a good flavor. Where are you going to get the flavor at? Kind of close to the back of your throat, okay? That's where you're going to be getting the flavor. It's a good flavor. I'll still say get, the Hall's brand of the VAPE. That one's a little more sweeter. But definitely for their Cosmic Fraud, the Lost Fraud collection, Neon Cream is definitely a good one to get. These two right here, they're the best ones so far from this Hollis Company and the Cosmic Fraud, Lost Fraud collection. From the Craft collection and this collection, these two are the only two winners so far. The worst ones to stay away from, Moon Milk and Crowd Punch. These two, don't even pick them up. They're disgusting, they're nasty. Just don't get them. These two, you see them, you get them. You put them in one of these, and you start vaping, and you're going to be loving it. So yeah, there has been, the unboxing review of the Cosmic Fraud Premium Vapes, the Lost Fraud collection of Neon Cream. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below. All information about, the flavor and stuff, and their website, which was, it was on the bottle, I think it was. Yeah, www.thelostfraud.com. Links down below in the description. I always give you guys the links, so you can go check out the site and read it word for word on the site. That I'll read it on the site. That I'll read it on the box and packages. Because I know with, I think it was the Silverback one, Jenny, maybe it was lower, but I'm pretty sure it was Jenny, I think it was. Someone said, oh no, there's no dragon fruit. You don't know what you're talking about. I'm like, okay, you don't know what you're talking about. I went to the website. I actually posted a link to the website down below in the description there. So if they click on it, they'll go straight to the page, straight to that flavor that's on the page, and read it word for word, letter for letter for themselves, that they know, hey, it actually says that there is dragon fruit. Yeah, I told you that. There's dragon fruit in it, okay? So yeah, all information, all links down below in the description. Click on it, take you to the website, and you can read it for yourself. So yep, definitely, this one is a good one. Is it better than the VAPE? I kind of like the VAPE a little bit better. I like things to be sweeter. But still, not a bad one. Not a bad one to pick up. Especially for the summertime, these two are going to be good. So yep, like I said, there's been the unboxing review and taste flavor test vaping of Neon Cream. Alright, thanks, bye.